garden and outdoor furniture has undergone a surprising evolution over the years. From simple chairs and tables to ergonomic and multifunctional designs to enjoy the outdoors with greater comfort. This search for comfort and style has been constant among families who want to see a unique style in their patio. However, one piece of furniture in particular has stood out for its innovative impact on the way we experience our outdoor spaces. We found the 5-piece modular sofa set, built with a solid metal frame that ensures safety and durability when sitting. Additional bars on the frame improve sturdiness, allowing the sofa to support up to 300 pounds of weight. Adjustable feet contribute to stability on uneven surfaces, while weather-resistant polyethylene wicker ensures a long lifespan of the set. It comes with 4 seat cushions and 4 back cushions to offer greater comfort to the user. Its versatility stands out as it is suitable for various environments, such as swimming pools, backyards, gardens, among others. Furthermore, being sectional and separable, it allows different adjustments to adapt to different space needs and number of people. The zipper design makes it easy to remove the cushion covers, allowing for easy washing, although please note that the cushions are not waterproof. The tempered glass top is easy to clean with a towel soaked in clean water, although 100 degrees Fahrenheit water is recommended for stubborn stains. Requires assembly upon receipt, which should be considered when purchasing. But what are the main advantages of this furniture? Robustness and durability thanks to its metal structure and weather-resistant material. Versatility in configuration and adaptation for different environments. Ease of maintenance with removable covers and washable material. Holds people up to 300 pounds. And its main disadvantages. The cushions are not waterproof, requiring additional care for preservation. Requires assembly upon receipt, which may be an inconvenience for some users. Does not include pillows, which could be considered a detail to take into account for a more complete experience. Discover the detailed features of this product by clicking the link in the description. You will be surprised by its unique functions. In summary, considering the sturdiness, versatility, and ease of maintenance, the steel wicker and rattan sofa set offers a suitable balance between quality and price. What makes this piece of furniture so special to those who use it? Its focus on user comfort and lightness are key aspects that have earned praise from those who have had the pleasure of enjoying it. From moments of relaxation to social gatherings, this furniture adapts to various situations with a perfect balance between functionality and style. This piece of furniture has exceeded expectations, transforming gardens into places of unmatched beauty and functionality. Its story reveals not just an object of furniture, but a narrative of innovation and change in the way we enjoy our outdoor environments. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, and activate the bell so that you receive more content about reviews of experiences with products that will brighten your home.